that the manner in which the judges observed that on what basis did you reopen the case without informing the court? I have Rahul Narvekar, he's been here since this morning. You asked Rahul, you were there inside the court. I think the court has been very critical of the role of the police in this.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the vibrant judiciary of this country. Every time when there is injustice, when the executive has overstepped, the judiciary has stepped in to correct them. In this case as well, the court has clearly observed that this is an unfair proceeding on Arnab Goswami. It has observed that there was no question of reopening this case without the court's permission. It has observed that when a Samiri report was accepted by the court, how could there be reopening of the proceedings again by the police? The court has rejected the police's request for a police custody remand. That clearly shows, and the court has been explicit about it, that there is no need for the police to investigate this matter further, for which they require Arnab Goswami's custody, and therefore a fitting reply has been given to the investigating agencies who perhaps have been acting on the insistence and pressure of their executive bosses.
Yeah, and I think it's befitting, after such a long day, you saw the pictures, and it's a clear case of overreach and a clear case of political vendetta. And I think there's a larger message that's going out tonight, Rahul, because it's not one case, this may be one case, but they got what they wanted. They wanted the photo op, right? They wanted him inside a police van, they wanted him inside the police station to spend the night.
See, even with regards to the bail application, under normal circumstances, it's a formality which could, after a JC was given, a bail application could have been moved. It was kept behind for the say of the police and the say of the IO. The IO was right there, he could have given their say. However, he didn't choose to do that. And it has been kept again for tomorrow. Yeah. So, this again shows that at any cost, they want to establish that they have kept Arnab Goswami behind bars for a day, which of course is symbolic and to my mind absolutely uncalled for. And if you look at the performance or perhaps the actions of this government consecutively, you can look at the Kangana Ranaut action, which again was taken out of turn, which again was done in a haste. You can see this arrest which was done this morning, as though they were arresting some terrorist. 70 police personnel barging into someone's house, picking him up, physically assaulting him. These are all things which are done when the police is under pressure. Unfortunate, but be that as it may, we hope that the government of the day realizes that it cannot be my way or the highway attitude in democracy.
You know what, Rahul, today a handful of people will be very happy. They'll be very happy that he's inside the police. But what they don't realize is the anger on the ground. The number of people who are coming out and speaking and judging every minute of what's happening.
You're absolutely right. The people of this country, Arnab Goswami is perhaps just an example. The victory is not about an individual. The victory is about the constitution and the democracy in this country. The rule of the law has prevailed, and that's what people in this country are going to be happy about. And I once again congratulate the vibrant judiciary for taking a very fair view and giving a very fair order in this matter.
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you for speaking to Republic. Rahul has been here since this morning. He tried to enter the police station, was 4 times unlucky. I don't know whether you'll be able to go inside now, but none of us have been allowed inside. None of us have been allowed inside.